Next we goes our next part, trigonometric identities. Okay, we have the three identities in this chapter. That ones are the first one, cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1. A is an angle measurement, it will change. Okay, then cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1, that is the first identity. Second identity, 1 plus tan square a is equal to c square a. And third one, 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a. Here we have the three identities. The first one is sin square a plus cos square a is equal to, or cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1. Both are correct. Then second one, 1 plus tan square a. Okay, 1 plus tan square a is equal to c square a. And third one, 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a. From these we will get the another result also. Okay, that are the first one. What is cos square a? The cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a. From this identity we will get the result cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a, or sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos square a. Okay, sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos square a. Then from the second one, 1 plus tan square a is equal to c square a. Then we get the result. Okay, 1 plus tan square a is equal to c square a. Then what is tan square a? Tan square a is c square a minus 1 is equal to tan square a. Okay, c square a minus 1 is equal to tan square a, or c square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. Okay, c square a minus tan square a is equal to 1, or we get the one more result, that's also important, tan square a minus sec square a is equal to minus 1. Okay, from the identity second, 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a, we get the result sec square a minus 1 is equal to tan square a. Sec square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. Tan square a minus sec square a is equal to minus 1. Okay, from the third one we get the result 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a. Then what are we get? We get from here cosec square a minus cot square a is equal to 1. Cosec square a minus cot square a is equal to 1, and cosec square a minus 1 is equal to cot square a. Cosec square a minus 1 is equal to cot square a. Or other one more we get, what is that? Yes, cot square a minus cosec square a is equal to minus 1. Okay, these are the results we get from the identity first, second and third. Then what are they? First identity, cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1. Cos square a plus sin square, or sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. From this identity we will get the two results. What that are? Yes, 1 minus sin square a is equal to cos square a. 1 minus cos square a is equal to sin square a. Then the second identity, 1 plus tan square a is equal to c square a. From this we get c square a minus 1 is equal to tan square a, on c square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. Tan square a minus c square a is equal to minus 1. Okay, then third one, 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a, that is an identity. From this we get cosec square a minus cot square a is equal to 1. Cosec square a minus 1 is equal to cot square a. Cot square a minus cosec square a is equal to minus 1. Okay, the next we applying this identity for proving the result. Okay, the next question, the basic application of the identity. The first one is like this: express the ratios cos a, tan a and sec a in terms of sine a. ഓക്കെ, ഈ തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന മൂന്ന് റേഷ്യോസിനെയും, കോസിനെയും ടാനിനെയും സീക്കിനെയും നമ്മൾ ഏതിൻ്റെ ടേംസിലേക്ക് മാറ്റണം? സൈൻ. Okay, then this one is the basic application of identity. So the first we converting cos A in the terms of sine A. We know that, yes, what is cos? We use the identity like this one, cos square A plus sine square A is equal to 1. Okay, no need to write the identity, we know the result directly. So what is that? Then we get from here cos square A is equal to, it's not necessary to write the identity, okay, use the relation directly. What is cos square A? Cos square A is equal to 1 minus sine square A. Okay, cos square A is equal to 1 minus sine square A. Therefore, cos A is equal to root of 1 minus sine square A. Okay, so we express cos A in terms of sine A. What is cos A? Cos A is equal to root of 1 minus sine square A. Cos A നമ്മൾ ഏതിൻ്റെ ടേംസിലേക്ക് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്തു? സൈൻ എയുടെ ടേംസിലേക്ക് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്തു. How to? The cos A is equal to root of 1 minus sine square A. Okay, so what is next? Next we want to write tan A in terms of sine A. Okay, then what is tan A? Tan A is equal to, then first we think about how is possible to relate sine and tan. Then we got the idea, tan is equal to sine A by cos A. Tan A is equal to sine A by cos A. അല്ലേ, tan എങ്ങനെയാണ് സൈൻ്റെ രൂപത്തിലേക്ക് എഴുതുക എന്ന് നമ്മൾ ആലോചിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ എന്താണ് നമ്മൾ ആലോചിക്കേണ്ടത്? tan A നമ്മൾ എങ്ങനെയാണ് സൈൻ എയുടെ ഫോമിലേക്ക് മാറ്റി എഴുതുക? Then what is, how to is possible to convert tan? Tan is equal to 1 by cot. Yes, that is a one relations. Then you have any relation between sine? Yes, we have. It's possible to write in terms of sine. How to? Yes, tan is equal to sine by cos. We know that, we studied already, correct? So we converting here, the tan A is equal to sine A by cos A. Sine A by cos A. Then is equal to, the numerator is already in the form of sine, correct? The numerator is in the form of sine, so no need to change numerator. So next we want to convert cos. Then what is cos? How do we write cos in terms of sine? Yes, cos A is equal to root of 1 minus sine square A, correct? So we are writing here, then is equal to sine A by root of 1 minus sine square A. Okay, then how we convert the tan A in terms of sine A? Yes, it's possible to write like this, sine A by root of 1 minus sine square A. Clear? Then one more is remaining. What is that? Sec. The next one is sec. Then how do we write sec? Sec A is equal to, and has any direct relation between sec and sine? No. What is sec? Sec is 1 by cos, correct? Sec is 1 by cos. So for to converting sec in terms of sine, first we converting sec in terms of cos. Then how to write? Sec A is equal to 1 by cos A. Then is equal to 1 by, what is cos A? Cos A is root of 1 minus sine square A. So root of 1 minus sine square A. So we converted, all the ratios are given, the cos, tan and sec in terms of sine. നമ്മൾ കോസിനെയും സീക്കിനെയും ടാനിനെയും ഏതിൻ്റെ ഫോമിലേക്ക് മാറ്റി? സൈൻ്റെ ഫോമിലേക്ക് മാറ്റി, correct? Then is a basic application of an identity. The next we go the next question. The question is like this: prove that ck into 1 minus sin A into ck plus tan A is equal to 1. We want to prove this result. The product of these ratios is equal to 1. Okay, then this type of question we starting from the LHS, sec A into 1 minus sin A into sec A plus tan A. Okay, so this type of the question for proving, the question is based on the proof. Okay, proving type question, always we think like this. There we want to apply the identity, any one of the identity. Okay, I think the better is to convert all the question we consider always sine and cos are the base ratios. Okay, we consider what are the base ratio? The base ratios are sine and cos. So I think it's better to convert all the ratios in terms of sine and cos, then is very easily is possible to do the work. അപ്പോൾ നോക്കുക പറഞ്ഞ ഇത്രയേ ഉള്ളൂ. സി കെ ഇൻറ്റു 1 മൈനസ് സൈൻ എ ഇൻറ്റു സി കെ പ്ലസ് ടാൻ എ ഇത് ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 1 എന്നാണ് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ഇങ്ങനെ പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഏത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിലും എപ്പോഴും ചെയ്യുന്നത് ചിലപ്പോൾ നമ്പർ ഓഫ് സ്റ്റെപ്സിൻ്റെ എണ്ണം ചിലപ്പം കൂടും ഇങ്ങനെ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ, പക്ഷേ ചെയ്യാൻ കുറച്ചും കൂടെ ഈസി ആയിരിക്കും, കുറച്ചും കൂടെ എളുപ്പമുണ്ടാവും. എന്താണ്, നമ്മൾ എല്ലാ ടേംസിനെയും ബേസ് റേഷ്യോസ് ആയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യുന്നത് സൈനും കോസുമാണ്. അപ്പോൾ തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന മറ്റ് റേഷ്യോസിനൊക്കെ ഏതിൻ്റെ ടേംസിലേക്ക് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യുക? സൈനിൻ്റെ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കോസിൻ്റെ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ രണ്ടിൻ്റെയും എല്ലാത്തിനും സൈനും കോസിലേക്ക് മാറ്റുക. റിലേഷൻ വെച്ചിട്ട് സൈനിലേക്കും കോസിലേക്കും മാറ്റുക. ചിലപ്പോൾ സൈനിലേക്ക് മാത്രമായിട്ട് മാറ്റേണ്ടി വരും, ചിലപ്പോൾ കോസിലേക്ക് മാത്രമായിട്ട് എഴുതേണ്ടി വരും, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ രണ്ടും കൂടെ ചേർത്ത് വെച്ചിട്ട് എഴുതേണ്ടി വരും. Okay, that is an idea. Then I was doing the method like that. Sec, what is sec? Yes, sec is equal to 1 by cos. Correct, sec is 1 by cos. So we convert sec as 1 by cos. So 1 by cos A into sine is the base ratio, is not possible to convert in terms of sine. So 1 by sine, 1 minus sine. If there is no change into the next again sec. What is sec? Sec is equal to 1 by cos. Then 1 by cos A plus what is tan? Tan is 1 by cot, but if you write 1 by cot is not in the terms of sine and cos, then how is possible to convert in terms of sine and cos? Yes, is very clear. Tan A is equal to sine A by cos A. Sine A by cos A is equal to 1 by cos A into 1 minus sine A. How to write? 1 by cos A into 1 minus sine A is equal to 1 minus sine A by cos A. Okay, 1 minus sine A by cos A. We multiplying the numerator and 1 minus sine A. So 1 minus sine A in by cos A. Then here into, here the denominators are equal, so we adding the numerator, that 1 plus sine A by cos A. Correct, 1 plus sine A by cos A. So now we got it, 1 minus sine A by cos A into 1 plus sine A by cos A. Then what is next step? The next step is we multiplying the numerator and denominator. This is a fraction form, so we multiplying the numerator and we multiplying the denominator. So then is equal to 1 minus sine A into 1 plus sine A by cos A into cos A is cos A whole square. We are writing like this, cos square A. Cos A into cos A, what is that? Cos square A. Then now is very clear, the numerator in the form of A minus B into A plus B. Correct, A minus B. Instead of A here we using 1, instead of B we using sine A. So this one in the form of A minus B into A plus B. What is A minus B into A plus B? Yes, A square minus B square. Then is equal to 1 square minus sine square A. Not sine A whole square, we are writing sine A whole square as sine square A by cos square A. Okay, then is equal to, what is 1 square? 1 square is 1. 1 minus sine square A by cos square A. Then from the first identity we got the result. What is 1 minus sine square A? 1 minus sine square A is equal to cos square A. അല്ലേ, 1 minus sine square A എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അത് എത്രയാണ്, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അത് എന്താണ് നമുക്ക് കിട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ട്? cos square A. Cos square A by cos square A is equal to 1. Okay, cos square A നെ cos square A കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്താൽ ഒരേ നമ്പർ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്താൽ എപ്പോഴും ആൻസർ എന്തായിരിക്കും? 1 ആയിരിക്കും. So cos square A divided by cos square A is equal to 1 is equal to the RHS. Correct? So we proved the result. Here also we follow the same idea, we starting from the LHS. What is the question? The question is, prove that cot A minus cos A by cot A plus cos A is equal to cosec A minus 1 by cosec A plus 1. Okay, so what is first? We starting from the LHS. Then LHS is equal to cot A minus cos A by cot A plus cos A. Okay, is equal to, what is next? Next we think about how to convert cot in terms of sine and cos. Okay, then how is possible? Cot A is equal to cos by sine, then cos A by sine. Cot is equal to cos by sine, so cos A, cot A is equal to cos A by sine A minus cos A by cot A. What is cot A? Yes, cos A by sine A minus cos A is equal to, now in this here is very clear, cos A by sin A minus cos A. In this numerator, in this fraction form numerator, cos A is common, so we take cos A out, cos A into, if we take cos A from here, what we get? 1 by sin A minus, from here we take cos A out, then what is remaining is 1 by, here also cos A is common, so we take cos A out, then cos A into 1 by sin A, this is plus 1 by sin A plus 1. Okay, so we cancel cos A and cos A, then what do you get? 1 by sin A minus 1 by sin A plus 1 is equal to, what is 1 by sine? The 1 by sine is cosec, correct? 1 by sine is cosec, so 1 by sine A is equal to cosec A minus 1 by cosec A plus 1. Okay, then what is we get? We got the result RHS, then is equal to RHS. So we start from the LHS, then we got the RHS, then the result is over here. Correct, we proved the result. Then only the base idea is to convert all other trigonometric ratio in terms of sine and cos. Then it's very easy for doing the works. Clear? So here we go to our next question. The question is like this. Prove that cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A is equal to sec A. Okay, then we starting from LHS, then LHS is equal to cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A. The next we check any ratio is need to be converted in terms of sine or cos. No, is not needed. Why? Because is already is given in the terms of sine and cos. All the ratios are in terms of sine and cos, correct? So no one is remaining to convert in terms of sine and cos. So what is next? Then is equal to, but we know that for applying the identity we want to get in terms of square. Apply identity apply ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി നമുക്ക് എപ്പോഴും എന്തിൻ്റെ ഫോം കിട്ടണം? സ്ക്വയർ ഫോം കിട്ടണം അല്ലേ? സൈൻ സ്ക്വയർ എ പ്ലസ് കോസ് സ്ക്വയർ എ, 1 പ്ലസ് കോഡ് സ്ക്വയർ എ, 1 പ്ലസ് ടാൻ സ്ക്വയർ എ അല്ലേ? എല്ലാം സ്ക്വയർ ടേമിലാണ്, അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാം സ്ക്വയറിലേക്ക് അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യണം. So for getting that, here what is the next idea? The both are given in terms of fraction, correct? Both are in terms of fraction. The next step is for getting the square is a cross multiplication. Okay, so we multiplying cos A into cos A. The cos A into cos A is cos square A plus, the next one is 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A is 1 plus sin A whole square, not 1 plus sin square A, 1 plus sin A whole square, because is the two term is there. This one is a single term cos, so cos A into cos A is cos square A. Here only is sin A and here is sin A. Sin A into sin A, how to write? Sin square A. But this one is 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A is 1 plus sin A whole square by 1 plus sin A into cos A. 1 plus sin A into cos A is equal to cos square A plus this one is very clear, this one in the form of A plus B whole square. What is A plus B whole square? Yes, A square. A square means 1 square plus 2AB, correct? 2 into 1 into sin A plus sin A whole square, have to write sin square A by, yes, we not expand this one, 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay, then now is very clear. What is the sum of cos square A plus sin square A? Cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. So cos square A plus sin square A, what is the result? 1 plus, what is 1 square? 1 square is 1 plus 2 into 1 into sin A is 2 sin A by, yes, 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay, then 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A, then is equal to, yes, what is common in the numerator? 2 is common, so we take 2 in out, then 2 into 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Correct? Then now is very clear, 1 plus sin A is common in the numerator and denominator, so we cancel. Then what we get is equal to 2 by cos A. 2 by cos A is possible to rewrite in terms of rewrite 2 by cos A is possible to write in the form 2 into 1 by cos A. Okay, then is equal to into, what is 1 by cos? The 1 by cos is sec. So 2 into 1 by cos A is 2 sec A. That is our RHS. Then is equal to RHS. Okay, so we are starting from the LHS and we got the result is equal to R.